Well, hi everybody. Good morning. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Tuesday morning, coming off of a nice rain yesterday. The rain's now lifted to the northeast. We are left with some strong winds this morning, though. We'll see an increase in clouds as the day goes on, then some clouds decreasing later today out west. Tonight, still a little breezy, mostly clear, partly cloudy in northeast Nebraska. Those clouds clear on out tomorrow, though. Already starting off kind of windy tomorrow. It's going to be really windy tomorrow. Our strongest winds of the week come tomorrow. Some wind gusts 40, 45, 50 miles per hour. Those winds will then die down tomorrow night. But you can see at their peak, I'll back this up a little bit. Look at those arrows moving right there during the afternoon. But again, they'll start to die down late in the day and into tomorrow night. Usually you start to lose some wind speeds as the sun goes down. The wind's still a little breezy early on Thursday, but not as strong. Skies will be clear. It's going to be a colder start to our day Thursday because of the lighter winds and the clear skies. We've got a couple of cold nights Thursday morning and again on Friday morning. Now, not all offices issue this out, but a wind advisory is in place today and tomorrow for northeast Nebraska. This is from the Omaha National Weather Service. Hastings office does not issue wind advisories. North Platte doesn't, Goodland doesn't. So basically the only one in the state of Nebraska that issues a wind advisory is the Omaha coverage area, and they're putting one out for northeast Nebraska due to the threat of wind gusts up to 45 miles per hour. Now, something that all the offices issue are high wind warnings and high wind watches. Well, the North Platte National Weather Service has issued a high wind watch for tomorrow in northern Nebraska, as we could see wind gusts up to 55 miles per hour. So a very windy day tomorrow, a lot worse than today. Highs today, 40s and lower 50s, warmer the farther east you go, cooler the farther west you go. These are actually pretty typical temperatures for this time of the year. Lows tonight, mid-20s to mid-30s, warmer to the east, colder to the west. Tomorrow, same thing as today, mid to upper 40s and lower 50s, but this time your warmer temperatures are in the south, a little cooler the farther north you go. Colder night tomorrow night into Thursday morning. Most of us are down into the 20s and below freezing. Not a bad idea if you still have your sprinklers going to maybe drain your sprinkler systems. I drained mine a couple of days ago just because I knew it would be getting colder this week. Teens in northwest Nebraska. Highs on Thursday. This is a little shot of chillier air in northeast Nebraska. Highs low to mid 40s here. Still into the 50s though in western and southwest portions of Nebraska. And then we start to inch back up Friday and into the upcoming weekend. In fact, as we take a look at that weekend forecast, you see those temperatures coming down a little bit Thursday, and especially at night, Thursday morning and Friday morning, but then warming up this weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Then we'll see our next shot of colder air on Monday. Will we see moisture? That's a big question right now. Some models hint at rain, some at snow, some a little bit of both, and then some have nothing. But right now I'm not confident enough to throw in a chance for early next week. But it does look like we will trend colder next week. By Thanksgiving Thursday itself, we could be down in the 30s for highs there. So pretty chilly on that final day of the 10-day forecast, which is Thanksgiving Thursday. A quick look at North Platte's forecast. You can see a little windy the next couple of days. Fairly seasonable temperatures this week, even warming up a little bit as we head into the upcoming weekend. Those lows down in the 20s. And then again, after warming up a bit for the weekend, it comes down. Monday, we start to bring those temperatures down, and it looks like we'll trend a little cooler as we head into next week with highs in the lower 40s. Nothing unusually cold, but a little chillier. A lot of that could also be determined on if we see any moisture move in as we head into next week, which is still a big question mark. Well, with that, I'm going to let you all go for today. I want to thank you all for watching on this Tuesday morning. I'll be back with you on Wednesday with all the latest. Take care, and God bless.